Okay, how to reset the maintenance light for a 2013 Mercedes Benz E350. This is the coupe with the keyless start. So what you want to do is just make sure it shows odometer, okay? And the car's not on. The power steering does not work. No weird lights. Door is closed, right? Show odometer. And what you're gonna want to do is push and hold this, and immediately afterwards, push and hold OK. And hold both. So hold this and immediately hold OK right after for 3 seconds. Let's try that right now. As soon as you do that, like I said, push and hold this and immediately push and hold this and keep holding both. You're gonna see this and press down, 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 assist plus, enter, down, OK, down, 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 OK, down, yes, down, OK, and that's it. You have reset it, your your maintenance reminder.